Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Payal SD, and you're going to keep my focus on my speaking. So, all of you are most welcome on here because this time I'm standing on here just only for you. So, it is afternoon period and my mind is so great because finally I'm on here with my speaking video. So please attentive, please be attentive on here with me till the end. Although I'm not so strong speaker, but I have enough of faith about me, that is if you give your focus in my speaking with you, you are going to get something new. You are going to take a little bit of tips by which you are going to be benefited. So just give your focus on here if you have little bit of time. But another point, that is if you have no time, that is another matter, that is another business part of you. So dear people, it is pandemic situation running all over the world, and that's why all of we are not so good actually, but it is really a high time for practicing. Yes, because it is really a great scope for you, and you can utilize this scope by increasing your practicing time. So start your journey from today, and you can start your journey in different ways. But if you now think on hearing my speech, that is how it is possible, how I can increase my practicing time. Yes, and here I have one solution just to remove such kind of tension from your brain and from your head. So just let me tell you something about this matter, because already we have 24 hours, but every hours, every seconds, every minutes are so much valuable. You want or not, it is completely a valuable matter, and that's why you have to utilize your each of seconds, your each of minutes just behind of your practicing. It is pandemic situation, that's okay, and it is a huge facility for you to find out a proper time just for spending for practicing. Yes, because when this pandemic situation was not available, that means when this pandemic situation was less all over the world, that time we were so much busy with our any kind of works beside of us. Yes, but now in this recent time we are completely free. So you have a 24 hours full. So it is really a funny matter, it is really a matter of jokes or kidding to you if you ask this question, how I can learn English, how I can improve my practicing time. It is a completely a funny matter if you ask this kind of questions with yourself and with two others. So try to understand your scope, try to understand your situation, and just start your journey with this facility. And we have many facilities, but as a human being, maximum time we really think that we have no facility in this digital period. But it is completely a false concept, or it is completely a false space, because we have many opportunities. Yes, but we are not able to find out those scopes from our near side. That is the main fact. But it is high time in this pandemic situation. You have much time, and just try to utilize this kind of time by increasing your practicing. And it is high time just increasing your thinking level, because the thinking level really helps you to think more, and really helps you to think most important something is so do it from today. And if you ask me your speaking with you is beneficial or not, then I asking to you, that is this video can be part of your practicing, this video can be part of mm, beneficial. Why not? I'm speaking on here, dear. Yes, everybody, I'm speaking on here. And this is speaking undoubtedly coming from me after many days hard working. Yes, I was a hard working person, and still now I'm involving with my practicing, and this is really a part of my practicing what I'm showing up you or what I'm delivering to you. And that's why you can learn more things from here. Although I have no lots of techniques, I have no strong something which I can speak, that is the main matter. So you can follow me, not just only for many tips, but just showing off my speaking practice. Yes, and if you're feeling little bit bored, then you can suggest me. Yes, you can suggest me how I can improve myself, because here we have lots of freedom and all of we are free here, no matter of hesitations. And that's why I always asking to you, everybody, if you have little bit tips just for my growing, then don't be hesitate just for sharing with me. We should to follow those kind of structures which brings so much happiness to us and which is going to beneficial for us. And that's why I never feeling shy. Yes, I always feel easy. Yes, and I always feel easy, and I always want to learn new things from many peoples, like who person are elder than me, who person are little than me, because learning is a part which is not what I say, which is not maintained by any age, and there is no fixed time for learning, and that's why I want to learn more things from any ages people. Yes, it is going to be so well, and I suggesting to you, or I recommending to you, you can also follow me, you can also follow my speaking style. It is not so good. Yes, it is not so good, but it is not so bad. In my last video I mentioned this line, but today again I sharing with you this sentence, because this sentence I really like most. It is one of my finest sentences. Yes, and that's why if you're feeling bored, just take this part easily and normally. Okay, so dear people, it is a video not to take seriously, but if you like this video, yes, I hope you like this video who are my well wishers, because in this video I'm not turning just a part of practicing or learning. I'm making a little bit fun with you by showing up my attitude. Okay, so just stay with me, just stay with my channel, and that is my formality species. Okay, so thank you so much, and just for your wonderful attention from first till the end. Yes, actually sometimes I really forget these sentences what I delivering every day, just only getting your support. Okay, so please, I'm so much apologize to all of you if I making little bit mistakes, but mistakes doesn't matter. Yes, mistake doesn't matter to me, because every day I learning from my mistake. That's why it is not a part. Yes, it is not a part means it is a great part of my learning. Yes. So thank you so much, and I will come very soon, and how you feeling after watching my video, you can share with me your thoughts and opinions. So till the time, take care, and just try to maintain all hygiene in this pandemic situation beside your practicing, and never give up. Just carry your practicing in every single day, and try to maintain your regularity, and if you can maintain your regularity, sooner or later your successful moment are knocking to your door. Yes, that is a proven matter, and what you are going to take a few days later. So take care, and take care of your family members, and pray for me, pray for my YouTube channel, and waiting for my next one. So goodbye, take care.